Hello, welcome everybody. In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install two WhatsApp accounts on a single Android phone. So for this procedure, you need to have two active mobile connections, an Android phone. You can have a dual SIM phone or you can have two single SIM phones also for this tutorial. Just the first step is just go to your WhatsApp, and from the right hand side go to the settings and click on chat settings and click on backup chats. So this will create a backup copy of all your messages. So once this is done, go to the settings of your phone, and inside setting go to apps and find the WhatsApp, and here click on clear data and click on OK and minimize this. Now go to the file explorer and go to your the WhatsApp folder, which is present in the root directory. So that's your WhatsApp folder. Just go to the options and rename this folder as OG WhatsApp, both in caps, and click on OK. Now again go to settings, apps, and WhatsApp, and uninstall this WhatsApp. So once this uninstall is complete, I'll place the link in the description of the video to download an APK known as OG WhatsApp. I've already downloaded it. I'll place this link in the description. So here it's OGW, the OG WhatsApp. Click on OG WhatsApp and install it. If your mobile is not able to install the APK file, you need to go to developer options and check the unknown sources. So once the OG WhatsApp installed, click on launch, accept and continue, and enter the mobile number which you were previously using for the WhatsApp which is installed. Click on OK. Just click on restore to restore the previously backed up file for the messages, and click on continue. Click next and click continue. So this is your first WhatsApp installed. You can find the OG WhatsApp installed. You'll find two different icons here. Now what you need to do is, for the second account, you need to go to Play Store and download the official WhatsApp. Just install this. Now once the installation is complete, just open the official WhatsApp, click on agree and continue, and enter your second number. Now just enter your second number. Please make sure that you have this number activated inside your phone. If you're using a dual SIM phone, it will automatically detect the incoming message and it will verify. If you're not using this dual SIM phone, if you're using this number on a different phone, you'll get a verification code on that number, and you need to enter that verification code here. So let's wait for this time to expire, because WhatsApp will verify it internally for 5 minutes, and if it's not possible, it will send a verification code. So let's wait for some time till the time expires. Now once your verification fails, if you don't have the SIM inside your phone, after the time expires, just click on this call me, and you'll get a call on your different number, and enter that verification code here. So once you enter your verification code, it will proceed to the next step. Just click on next. Wait till your application is initialized. So once your initialization is complete, click on continue. and this is your second WhatsApp account. So here you can see you have two different WhatsApp, two icons for OG WhatsApp and one for WhatsApp. So you can open check this. It is the first account and that's the second account. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're having any query relating this video, please feel free to comment on the video. Once again, thanks for watching.